All right, guys, here we go. Last break of the night. It's going to be a 2019 Leaf Autograph full-size helmet. So these have been a lot of fun to break. Pulled some pretty good names out of here over the last few weeks. Last weekend, we pulled Cowboys the last 2 weeks. So we pulled Dak last weekend, and then it was Randy White the weekend before. So let's see if we can not pull a Cowboy tonight. But there's some other huge names in here. Tom Brady would be cool. I think Mahomes, Aaron Rodgers, all those guys are in this. So here we go. Curtis H. has got the Bears. Dan C. with the Packers. David L. with the Falcons, the Ravens, the Panthers, the Bengals, the Broncos, the Lions, the Jags, the Chargers, the Giants, the Eagles, the Bucks, and the Redskins. Donnie's got the Cardinals, Dolphins, Jets, Raiders, and the 49ers. Jim, you've got the Titans. Lance has got the Cowboys, the Texans, and the Patriots. Matt L. with the Browns. Michael D. with the Colts and Chiefs. Michael L. with the Bills. Nate P.'s got the Rams, Vikings, and Saints. And then Travis J. with the Steelers and the Seahawks. All right, here we go. All right, see if I can hide this dang name that they put right there at the front. It's not going to happen. Tell you what. Gosh, man. Oh, you stupid idiot. Hang on. Moron breaker knocking the whole freaking camera over. Alright, let's try to do it without knocking the camera over. Oh, we got a Seahawk. Carlson, you got the Seahawks in this one too? No, it's going to be Travis J. What? Let's see who it's going to be. Oh, dude, that's nice. I'm pretty sure that's a Metcalf. Let's see. It is. There you go. DK Metcalf. It'd be nice if they would have put the sticker right on it. All right, Beckett's certified. So the sticker's on the back. All right, the ear thing fell off. There's the card. All right, let's get this back in the box. So Travis, congrats on that, man. Nice full-size helmet for you. So we'll put that in the mail to you tomorrow, and we'll do another box of this coming up next weekend. So it'll end Saturday night on eBay. We'll break it right here next Sunday.